As a facilitator, my interactions in the media concerning the importance of water have been related mostly to how people would get water in their communities. But to get people to report on water has always been a challenge because media in Africa have a lot of resource constraints, and therefore they have to deal with other issues that come up in the news, and you may not get one journalist who is reporting exclusively on water. But what we have been able to do in Accra is to identify one journalist who is an environmental journalist and reports on water. And we've been engaging her in this process. But a second way of doing this is to be able to add value to the media. If they can get the understanding that they would add to their professionalism, then they would like to be part of the issues that you discuss. And so you could link up the water and some kind of media training to improve on their professionalism. What we've also done within Switch context is to involve the media in international events such as the Switch City Summit, where they get exposure to issues around water. And this has encouraged them to report on water issues in the media. The other thing is also to bring in politicians, because a lot of media like to follow politicians. So for some of our key programs, we've involved key politicians in the local community. And naturally, when politics is there, journalists find some news to report, and they would love to say, the mayor said this about water, or the minister said this about water. So that has been some of the ways that we have engaged the media to report about issues of water. But also in Accra, particularly, there are issues of flooding, issues of water shortage, which are also news headlines. And we've been able to link up with the media when they are reporting on some of these issues to bring out major issues such as why we don't have a water supply to everybody, why we have flooding occurring. We've been able to share in-depth information with the media to enable them to give better reports on some of these issues.